center of these three circles. Radical center. So there are three circles. S equal 0, S dash equal 0, S double dash equal 0. Calculate radical axis of a 1 and 2. That is nothing but S minus S dash equal to 0. Again, radical axis of a 2 and 3. That is nothing but S dash minus S double dash equal to 0. This point of intersection of the radical axis is called a radical center. So we calculate radical axis of 1 and 2, radical axis of 2 and 3. Then we solve the both radical axes, we get the radical center. That is the procedure. So radical axis of a 1 and 2 is S minus S dash equal to 0. So first S value x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 minus S dash minus x square minus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Change the all symbols of S dash. X square cancel. Y square cancel. Minus 4x plus 2x equal to minus 2x. Minus 6y plus 4y equal to minus 2y. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 2 table cancel. Finally, we get x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is a radical axis of 1 and 2. Again, radical axis of 2 and 3 is S dash minus S double dash equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 minus x square minus y square plus 6x plus 2y equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, 4x, 6x minus 2x, 4x minus 4y plus 2y minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So we get two radical axis equations. Solve 4 and 5. We get the radical center. Fourth equation, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Fifth equation, 4x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Solving these two, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 4 minus 2, x y 1, x by minus 1 minus 6, y by minus 12 plus 1 by minus 2 minus 4, x by minus 7, y by minus 11, 1 by minus 6, minus cancel, x equal to 7 by 6, y equal to 11 by 6. Therefore, radical center is 7 by 6 comma 11 by 6. Find the length of the common chord. Given these two circles, length of the common chord. Length of the common chord, length is common chord is nothing but the radical axis of 1 and 2. So common chord equal to radical axis, that is s minus s dash equal to 0. This is s minus s dash. Change the all symbols. Minus x square minus y square plus 2x plus 2. X square cancel, y square cancel. Minus 3x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. 3 table cancel. Multiply with minus x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the common chord. We want a length of the common chord. We know that length of the common chord equal to 2 into under root r square minus d square. Already you know that r value is 3. R value is 3. So first we calculate d. D is the distance from center to the line. This is the center to the line. Distance from center to the line. We apply the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. So x value 1, y value 0 minus 2 by a square value 1, b square value 2 square. Modulus of minus 1 equal to 1 by root 5. So length of the common chord 2 into under root r square minus d square. R square value 3 minus d square value 1 by 5. 5 LCM 15 minus 1. 2 into under root 14 by 5. A circle S equal 0 and a line L equal to 0. Find the equation of this dot circle having AB as diameter. So any circle equation passing through point of intersection of S equal 0 and L equal to 0 is in the form of S plus lambda L equal to 0. Any circle equation passing through points of intersection of S equal to 0, L equal to 0 is in the form of S plus lambda L equal to 0. So S value x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 8 plus lambda into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. We want this equation of the circle. In this equation, we don't know the value of lambda. So, write this one in the order. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 8 lambda x plus lambda y minus 3 lambda equal to 0. X square plus y square, take x common, minus 2 plus lambda into x plus 4 plus lambda into y. From these two, take y common, minus 8 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. So x square term, y square term, x term, y term and constant. So in 2g place minus 2 plus lambda, g value is a 2 minus 2 plus lambda by 2. 2f value 4 plus lambda, f value 4 plus lambda by 2. Therefore, center C equal to minus g minus f minus g value 2 minus lambda by 2. Multiply with this minus. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Comma. Minus f. Minus 4. Minus lambda by 2. Given L is the diameter. L is the diameter. Therefore, this center C lies on L. So, C lies on L equal to 0. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. X value 2 minus lambda by 2. Y value minus 4 minus lambda by 2 minus 3 equal to 0. 2 LCM 2 minus lambda minus 4 minus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Minus lambda minus 2 lambda 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 equal 0. Minus 2 lambda equal to 8. So lambda value 8 by minus 2, that is a minus 4. Therefore, substitute that lambda value in equation number 1. So from 1, required circle is a x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 8. Lambda value minus 4. X plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Multiply with minus 4. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 8. 4x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6x 4y cancel. 12 minus 8 equal to plus 4 equal to 0. Circle is this one. Given line is this one. Given AB as diameter of the required circle. Any circle passing through the point of intersection of a S equal 0, L equal 0 is in the form S plus lambda L equal to 0. This is S plus lambda L value x plus y minus 3. Lambda x plus lambda y minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Write in the order x square plus y square. Take x common minus 2 plus lambda. Take y common 4 plus lambda. 4 plus lambda. Constant minus 8 minus 3 lambda. So 2g value minus 2 plus lambda. G value minus 2 plus lambda by 2. F value 4 plus lambda by 2. Center minus g comma minus f. Multiply with minus 2 minus lambda by 2. Minus f value minus 4 minus lambda by 2. C is the center of the required circle. Given AB is the diameter. So C lies on L equal to 0. So x minus 2 lambda by 2, f value minus 4 minus lambda by 2 minus 3, 2 LCM, 2 minus lambda minus 4 minus lambda, 2 into 3 equals 6. So by cross multiplication, 0 into 2 equal to 0. Minus lambda, minus 2 lambda, 2 minus 4, minus 2, minus 2 minus 6, minus 8. So lambda value is 8 by minus 2, that equal to minus 4. Substitute this lambda value minus 4 in the first equation. So lambda value is minus 4. Multiply with minus 4, minus 4x minus 4y plus 12, finally x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 8, minus 4x minus 4y plus 12, 4y cancel, minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x, 12 minus 8 equal to 4.